Hey everybody. I was just wondering how you all are doing with your Mandino scroll number two. Those of you who are doing this challenge with me. So I am reading scroll mark number two from The Greatest Salesman in the World by Mandino. And I'm reading it every day, several times a day for 30 days. So I was just thinking that I would read it out loud with you guys this evening or whenever you see this. So um, press pause, go get your scroll out, and come back and let's read together. All right, so scroll mark number two is called I Will Greet This Day with Love in My Heart. I will greet this day with love in my heart, for this is the greatest secret of success in all ventures. Muscle can split a shield and even destroy life, but only the unseen power of love can open the hearts of men. And until I master this art, I will remain no more than a peddler in the marketplace. I will make love my greatest weapon and none on whom I can defend against its force. My reasoning they can counter. My speech they may distrust. My apparel they may disapprove. My face they may reject. And even my bargains may cause them suspicion. Yet my love will melt all hearts likened to the sun whose rays soften the coldest clay. I will greet this day with love in my heart. And how will I do this? Henceforth, I look on all things with love, and I will be born again. I will love the sun, for it is warm, for it warms my bones. Yet I will love the rain, for it cleanses my spirit. I will love the light, for it shows me the way. Yet I will love the darkness, for it shows me the stars. I will welcome happiness, for it enlarges my heart. Yet I will endure sadness, for it opens my soul. I will acknowledge reward, for they are my due. Yet I will welcome obstacles, for they are my challenge. I will greet this day with love in my heart. And how will I speak? I will laud mine enemies, and they will become friends. I will encourage my friends, and they will become brothers, always or sisters. Always will I dig for reasons to applaud. Never will I scratch for excuses to gossip. When I am tempted to criticize, I will bite my tongue. When I am moved to praise, I will shout from the roofs. It is not so that birds, the wind, the sea, and all nature speaks with the music of praise for their creator. Cannot I speak with the same music to his children? Henceforth, will I remember this secret and it will change my life? I will greet this day with love in my heart. And how will I act? I will love all manners of men, for each has qualities to be admired, even though they be hidden. With love, I will tear down the walls of suspicion and hate which they have built round their hearts, and in its place will I build bridges so that my love may enter their souls. I will love the ambitious, for they can inspire me. I will love the failures, for they can teach me. I will love the kings, for they are but human. I will love the meek, for they are divine. I will love the rich, for they are yet lonely. I will love the poor, for they are so many. I will love the young, for the faith they hold. I will love the old, for the wisdom they share. I will love the beautiful for their eyes of sadness. I will love the ugly for their souls of space. I will greet this day with love in my heart. But how will I react to the actions of others? With love. For just as love is my weapon to open the hearts of men, love is also my shield to repulse the arrows of hate and the spears of anger. Adversity and discouragement will beat against my new shield and become as the softest of rains. My shield will protect me in the marketplace and sustain me when I'm alone. It will uplift me in moments of despair, yet it will calm me in time of exaltation. I will become stronger and more protective when with use, until one day I will cast aside the walk unencumbered among all manners of men. And when I do, my name will be raised high on the pyramid of life. I will greet this day with love in my heart. And how will I confront each whom I meet? In only one way, in silence. And to myself, I will address him and say, I love you. Though spoken in silence, these words will shine in my eyes, unwrinkle my brow, bring a smile to my lips, an echo in my voice, and his heart will be opened. And who is there? Who will say nay to my goods when his heart feels my love? I will greet this day with love in my heart. And most of all, I will love myself. For when I do, I will zealously inspect all things which enter my body, my mind, my soul, and my heart. Never will I overindulge the requests of my flesh. Rather, I will cherish my body with cleanliness and moderation. Never will I allow my mind to be attracted to evil and despair. Rather, I will uplift it with the knowledge and wisdom of the ages. Never will I allow my soul to become complacent and satisfied. Rather, I will feed it with meditation and prayer. Never will I allow my heart to become small and bitter. Rather, I will share it and it will grow and warm the earth. I will greet this day with love in my heart. Henceforth, will I love all mankind. From this moment, all hate is let from my veins, for I have not time to hate, only time to love. From this moment, I take the first step required to become a woman among women. With love, I will increase my sales 100-fold and become a great salesman. If I have no other qualities, I can succeed with love alone. Without it, I will fail, though I possess all the knowledge and skills of the world. I will greet this day with love in my heart, and I will succeed. Ashe, ashe, ashe. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope you were able to read along with me. So like I said, in Roses, Lavender, and Sage, we are reading this scroll daily, several times a day. And this is a first step in loving ourselves, greeting our lives with love, manifesting on purpose. Manifesting on purpose, right? Being purposeful in our lives, discovering our soul's journey and making sure that we stay on it. This is one of the things that we're doing in roseslavenderansage.com. So join us. If you're already in here, I hope you're working with me as we all work on ourselves, becoming the best us that we can ever possibly be. And again, this is a community for women, all about elevating and empowering other women. Ashe. Have a wonderful day.